There will be plenty of noise coming from the water this weekend. The Roar Offshore event will return to Southwest Florida. It'll happen on Fort Myers Beach, and that's where Fox 4's Calvin Lewis is right now. So Calvin, tell us, what does this event mean for local businesses?
Yeah, Chris, good morning. Well, think of it this way. I mean, there are going to be thousands of people descending upon Fort Myers Beach here within the next 4 days. And they're going to be spending plenty of their money here on some food, lodging, as well as a few other accommodations here within our local area. But in fact, one of the event's main goals is to help the beach's economy during a traditionally slower time of the year. That's all the while bringing exposure and recognition to the boating, recreational, and entertainment opportunities that the area has to offer. Now, the president of the Fort Myers Beach Chamber of Commerce tells me thanks to the local sales tax, business owners are able to turn a pretty nice profit. Now, some of these business owners are getting so fired up that they will be hosting viewing parties here in the future.
The impact on the economy is huge, obviously, on our bed tax and on our sales tax revenues, et cetera. And it's a nice little boost in the pockets of all the business owners, the restaurants, the bars, the cafes, and accommodations, to get us through the rest of what is typically a slower part of the year.
Now, for those who can't make the race weekend in person, there is some good news. The race will be televised over simulcast as well as social media. And coming up here on Fox 4 Morning News, we'll tell you what event coordinators want you to know before going ahead and booking your spot here on the beach. But for now, we'll swing it on back to you guys over in the studio. Reporting live here in Fort Myers, Calvin Lewis, Fox 4.